Hi, I'm Matt from CADglobal. Since 2010, we've helped thousands of clients choose the best CAD software. Let's explore what's new with CADprofi, including its pricing. CADprofi 2025 is now available. It comes with more than 20 new improvements, new libraries, and compatibility with progeCAD, BricsCAD, AutoCAD 2025, and ZWCAD 2025. CADprofi Mechanical, Architectural, HVAC&Piping, and Electrical. You can download CADprofi for free on the CADglobal site. The link is in the description. Let's have a quick overview of new features in CADprofi 2025. The Electrical Scheme Creator in CADprofi takes your workflow in progeCAD and BricsCAD to the next level. It comes equipped with libraries for central heating calculations, including decentralized domestic hot water preparation stations. Plus, you can now edit schemes effortlessly using the intuitive drag-and-drop feature. Using AutoCAD, progeCAD, ZWCAD, GStarCAD, or BricsCAD as your base CAD program, simply click and hold the left mouse button to drag symbols to a new location, making adjustments smoother than ever. Want to duplicate a symbol? Hold the left mouse button and press Ctrl to easily copy it to a new spot. Need to swap symbols? Hold the left mouse button while pressing Shift for a quick switch. And that's not all. 2 keyboard shortcuts are here to boost your CADprofi electrical productivity. Ctrl+Z instantly undo your last action. Ctrl+Y quickly redo your last action. When combined with progeCAD or BricsCAD, CADprofi transforms how you create and edit electrical schemes. A new button has been introduced, enabling users to instantly access relevant video tutorials that provide step-by-step guidance on how to use specific commands. The shaft generator in CADprofi Mechanical streamlines the creation of shafts by automatically generating them from user-selected components. At any point in the project, you can make adjustments, such as adding extra shaft segments. The drag-and-drop technique also makes it easy to move or copy segments. Projects can be saved and loaded as .gwp proje files, enabling you to edit previously saved designs or quickly create new ones using saved data as a starting point. CADprofi Mechanical allows for seamless adjustments to the length of individual shaft segments. Once the shaft is inserted into the progeCAD and BricsCAD drawing, modifications are simple with the quick edit command, such as extending the end segment with ease. Now let's get to pricing. New CADprofi Lifetime Perpetual License. One-time payment cost €800. Buy in a bundle with progeCAD and BricsCAD and you can save €200. progeCAD plus CADprofi AEC and MEP bundle starts from €1,050. We offer best price guarantee for CADprofi Architectural, Electrical, Mechanical, HVAC, and Piping. If you find a lower price of CADprofi elsewhere, CADglobal will match or beat that price. For CADprofi upgrades from old versions, CP symbols, CADprofi Suite, educational license, migrations to a network license, or cross upgrades from CP symbols to CADprofi, get in touch with us. Thank you for watching.